Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set custom column width in Avada builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada theme and this is our Avada builder. So we are going to set custom column width. Now you see container, so click on it. So you can set any layout. Now click on it. Now you see layout edit and then you see resize column, so click on it. You see multiple sizes. If you want, you can select this, but we are going to set custom column width. Now you see pencil icon edit, so click on it. So we are in column setting and then you see design and then you see width, column width on respective display size. You see desktop, tablet, mobile. Now you see use custom width, so click on it. Now you see 33.33, so you can set 13. So if you want, you can set different custom width for mobile layout, tablet and desktop, so it's up to you. For desktop we set 13.33 and then click on save. Now you see custom width edit. Now you see, so in this way you can set custom column width in Avada builder in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.